What up, Mr. Hip Hop Vegan coming with another video, and today's another minimalist video. As you can see, this is all gone. Oh, it's not. Let me close this. And now I got all my windows available because I had a shoe rack here and these windows wouldn't open. That's gone. It's getting better, folks, little by little. But I have this room clean, everything thrown away, out. And just minimize up my life. I wanted to get down to like 100 pieces of stuff. There's still books over here, there's still books over there. I still gotta go through the process of putting them online. And I'll get there in a couple of weeks and that will be done. Cause what happens when you do fulfilled by Amazon, you scan your books, you put it in there, you put it in a box and send it out, and you'll have it in their warehouse and take up their space, and then they will mail out the books for whoever buys it and stuff like that, and then you get your percentage out and stuff like that. So makes my life easier. Now we're gonna go today and declutter my bathroom, throw away all the toxic cleaners, and I'm gonna go buy more natural cleaners tomorrow to be able to clean with more efficiency and better products for my bathroom. As you can see, the people who sued Roundup and they got $2 billion and stuff like that for causing cancer, we gotta get rid of all that chemicals and start using more natural products so we won't get exposed to all these chemicals and cancer causing substance. So let me close this video out. We're gonna go to the bathroom and we're gonna clean it out. Peace. What up, what up? We are taking a ride to the bathroom in my seat. Let's see if it'll go over there. Nope. Ooh, we about to clean this bitch. Let me shut it off. What up, what up? I'm coming back. Look at this mess I got down here. So let's get to cleaning. We have shaving cream. This right here is vegan cruelty free suntan lotion. I don't like this one. This is going to the trash. I don't know, it just feels sticky when you use it. I don't like it. This right here is a Bath Kitchen CLR. If you ever clean with this, it's the worst cleaner you can use. This shit, it just makes the bathroom smell like shit. This carpet cleaner is trash. Now I do got hand soap, made with plant extracts and stuff like that. So this I'll keep. Fabuloso, I have to keep this real quick. This right here is beard oil. I'm gonna keep that. This right here is Claire mud mask. I used to talk to a girl who put me onto this. So it's made with black soap and stuff like that. This I'll keep. This right here is charcoal. I'm gonna throw this away because I have some already. I don't want too much. This Clorox is about to be garbage. This Rust Alignment Calcium, garbage. This my coconut oil for my coconut oil pulling. You save that. The reason why we got this, when my dad comes from New York and stays over, he buys all this junk. I don't know, I gotta think about that one to save this. My dad buys alcohol too. I don't know why he buys it, but you know what? I'm throwing away the bigger one. This is, you know what? I can give it to somebody. Give it away. This insect, this is gonna be thrown away. Vapor rub. When my dad's here, he loves smelling this, so I'm just gonna save this for him whenever he comes by. That is all. Gotta save this. I don't know what the hell is this from. Nice and easy. Nice and easy brush. I don't know how they got there, but I guess not mine. Trash. This right here. Everybody knows what this for. You know what? This is dog trash. Toilet paper you save. Now you see all. This is when my dad was here, just for men. I'll just leave it here for him. You get all this toothpaste. My dad, I don't know what, my dad buys all this when he comes. And I don't know why, but I gotta give this away. But I'm just gonna keep this here and give it away to some people. All this toothpaste, I don't know why for. This is a pyramid that says Aquarius. It's kind of heavy, I don't need this, it's trash. This is a mouthpiece for when I used to do Kung Fu and stuff like that. It's going to the trash. This right here is going to the trash. This right here is black bloodroot. If you ever have just look up bloodroot. If you ever have like a mass sticking out or like a little, this right here with the black bloodroot does, it draws out poisons. It draws out. Some people say it draws out cancer too. I didn't like this product right here. This one is trash, so I'm throwing this away. But if you look up bloodroot, is a drawing salve. So just look it up and you can watch different videos and stuff like that. But this is really trash. This is a toothpaste that I got from the health store. It's been a while, so it's trash. Now this bloodroot right here, this one is, as you can see, this one is black, and I used a lot of it. I think I'm gonna keep it just to have it, but this one worked. It had like a bump coming out. I put it on here and it took the bump out. It took like 2 or 3 weeks for it to come out, but it came out. So I definitely, I am gonna keep this just to have it as reference and stuff like that. This is soap. Gotta clean this. This right here is all beard stuff, so gotta keep that. Beard oil. This is for the beard. This right here, you put a candle. I'm gonna keep this. Throw this away, and then wash this and use this. I don't know why I have so much thing of Q-tips. Guess just keep it for now. What is this? This is like a first aid kit type stuff. Adhesive pads. All this stuff, I don't know, it's trash. Do I really need this shit? You know what? This right here is all essential oils, and I'm definitely keeping these. I want to put it in a smaller box, because this box is too big. Now I am going to throw away this box. However, I want a smaller box to put this in. And I'm just thinking if I have anything small enough. You know what? I might have something small. I'll be back. Well, I do have something smaller, so I'll just put these in here. Perfect. Perfect. Now you see, keep this. Yeah. And this right here, trash. This right here is gonna trash. Look at that, gone. Now all I have to do is organize, and then you'll see the finished organization. I'll be back. I'm back. About to end the video real quick. So you seen I got rid of stuff, everything in the bathroom. If you would have seen, I had a butterfly shower curtain. The reason why I had that butterfly shower curtain, my mom stayed with us for a little bit while she was going from one apartment to the next apartment. So just to make her feel comfortable, I got a butterfly shower curtain for her. So it is what it is. And if you want to say something, it's just a butterfly shower curtain representing for my mama, because she loves butterflies. So as you can see, I'm in the process, little by little, day by day. By the time you know it, it's gonna be empty, and I can't wait. Peace. In the back, I got one more video to make. If you want to live a clutter-free, debt-free lifestyle, the #1 book I recommend you to get is the Dave Ramsey Total Money Makeover. I'm going to leave a link to it in the description. You can get it through digital version. You can get the paper version, the paperback, hardcover, any version you want, the baby steps. Step 1 is save $1,000. Step 2, save step 2 is pay all your debt from minimum to maximum, no matter the interest rate. And I'm not even gonna go through baby steps, all of them through, because you have to go do your own research and look it up. But tell me in the description if you ever did the Dave Ramsey baby steps to become debt free. That will help you with the minimalist lifestyle. So go ahead, do your thing. Dave Ramsey Total Money Makeover in the description. Go purchase it. Peace.